Good morning, kids. Today is your conversation class. In your English book, in page number 57, sound of words with long A work is given. So, students, today we will try to speak all these words. SOUND, sound. OF, of. WORDS, words. WITH, with. LONG, long. Your small letter alphabet A. LAKE, lake. GATE, gate. CAVE, cave. APE, ape. RAIL, rail. TAIL, tail. TASTE, taste. SNAKE, snake. LATE, late. SKATE, skate. RAIN, rain. BAIL, bail. NAIL, nail. PASTE, paste. BAKE, bake. HATE, hate. RAKE, rake. SAIL, sail. MAIL, mail. HAIL, hail. PLATE, plate. Kids, we will repeat it with a activity. First spelling is LAKE. We do activity L A K E. LAKE, lake. Next word is GATE, gate. GATE, gate. Next is cave. CAVE, cave. APE, APE, ape. RAIL. Where is R? Yes. R A Where is I? Where are you, I? I. And next is L. Yes. RAIL. Rail. Next is TAIL. Yes. TAIL. Tell. Next, TASTE. Yes. See here, student. TASTE. Taste. Next is snake. S N A K E. SNAKE. Snake. Next is late. L A T E. Late. Next is skate. S K A T E. Skate. Next, rain. R A I N. Rain. Next, bale. Where is B? B A I L. Bale. Next is nail. N A I L. Nail. Next is paste. P A S T E. Paste. Next, bake. B A. Where is K? Yes. K E. Bake. Next, hit. H, where are you? Yes. H A T E. Hit. Next, rake. R A K E. Rake. Next, sail. Sail. Yes. S A I L. Sail. Next, mail. M A I L. Mail. Next, hail. H A I L. Hail. Last one is plate. P L A T E. Plate. Enjoying all of you? Yes, kids. In this way, all of you revise all these words at your home. Have a nice day.